I'm Jay. I'm a glass blower from Scranton, PA. I go by Jay Wizard Glass. I how to make a cup on a lathe. I use a Delta Elite hand torch. It has, I think, 52 jets in it, big flame. I use a Bunsen burner to keep everything nice and warm throughout the whole process, because if not, shit breaks. Yeah, it keeps everything nice and warm and all that. Like pretty much it preheats your glass. It's just a straight propane flame mixed with a little bit of air, because you can go right to a carbon flame and all that. Now I could carbon pieces, still keep them warm, but I can turn these dials a little bit and make a sharper flame. And a little bit hotter flame too. Or turn up the gas, powerful flame. And what I'm going to do is be closing down the end here of the tubing so I can trap air in it. So I'll be able to blow into it and make bubbles. Now I'm going to punty up here, because if not, you get that really hot, it's just going to be flopping. So I always got to punty up the things to keep them sturdy. And stock and the tail stock move back and forth, so you're able to push in the glass or take away the glass. So I trap the air, and I have air in there now, punty up and everything, and ready to go. Move the Bunsen out of the way a little bit, and then keep the flame straight. So you kind of start seeing it, it's getting a little red. Getting redder. Blowing air into it a little bit and bringing it in. Now I'll get my tool. Straighten out the Maria. But now, technically, they call that a Maria. But aka it's my foot of my cup. I'll put the Bunsen back over on this side. I'll rip off the punty. Ripping off this glass to make it flat. I don't need all this glass. It's like a happy medium. You don't want to rip off too much, then you'll make the bottom of your cup too thin. You don't want that too thin, because when you sled it down, it'll break. Get real hot. Really hot, almost white hot, but not boiling. And then go back, because all that stress from that graphite, because graphite just literally sucks the heat right out of the glass. spin into it, making a ball as I'm pulling in the tailstock. If you just blow the bubble, you're going to lose your wall weight. You want to try to keep even wall weight throughout the whole piece. Keep the flame right in the middle and give myself a little Maria push. Now we have like a, kind of like a UFO shape. Now you want to let it cool down a little bit before you go to the next process, because if you don't let it cool down, it's still warm, and you go to the next, it's just going to like smash into each other and everything. Use the paddle, trying to make it straight. Keep the punches under it. And I'll go back with the big flame, get it all nice and warm up, try to get all even heat. Main thing about glass is even heat. You want even heat, controlled heat. A little bit, gave me a whole new shape. Now it's hard to see, there's reamer marks in there from the paddle. You gotta go back with the flame, get it hot, get rid of the reamer marks. If not, it takes the wall away from your glass. You don't want to leave tool marks. But it happens sometimes. So right now I'm about to trap air into the piece. Yep, trap full air into the piece now. Now if I take the flame away from it, that's going to sink in more. Keep the heat on it. Air's going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. I'm going to peel away as it pops on itself because of the heat and pressure. And boom. There's a circle. There's your hole. My reamer in here, open it up, make my shape, my lip. Go back to the paddle. Back, warm this baby up. And the thing is, you never want to put hot glass on cold graphite. It will crack it. So this is really cold now. I'll put the flame on it. Get it nice and hot. You want to put hot glass on cold graphite. It shocks it too much. Bunsen on. Now I'm ripping off this bit. There we go. I'll get my tongs. I'll be able to grab it. Try to get even glass. I'll go back because there's going to be stress on there. Hit it with the flame again. Get that stress out. how you make a cup.